Excel for data analysis. The objective of this course is for you to learn data analysis main concepts from a basic to an expert level while you practice with Standard & Poor's 500 exchange traded fund prices using Microsoft Excel as your analysis tool. At the end of this course, you will be able to use main Excel file or workbook types and store data in worksheets within workbooks, navigate worksheets quickly through their cells or ranges of cells using keyboard shortcuts, perform data calculations using formulas, built-in functions, and arrays, correct formula errors and perform user input data validation, organize data interactively using tables and customizable pivot tables, visualize data using conditional formatting, main chart types, and single-cell spark lines, implement data scenario summary forecast using what-if analysis and find value for achieving certain calculation result using goal-seek, analyze data using moving average, exponential smoothing, descriptive statistics, histogram, correlation, regression, and random number generation features from data analysis tools package add-in, and estimate optimal parameter using solver add-in. This course is ideal as you're an undergraduate or postgraduate who wants to learn about data analysis using Microsoft Excel. You're an academic researcher who wishes to deepen your knowledge in data analysis, applied statistics, economics, econometrics, or quantitative finance. You're a business data analyst who desires to apply this knowledge in areas such as consumer analytics, finance, banking, healthcare, e-commerce, or social media.